I did not trade futures today, but I did trade Forex, guys. I'm going to show you guys exactly the trade I took. If you look here, as soon as market opened, why I'm completely just took off. I was waiting for some sort of retracement on this move to continue pushing to the upside because I did have an overall bullish bias today coming into the market. But as you can see, it did not present any retracements at all. It just kept completely shooting up, shooting up, shooting up. So because of that, I did not execute on any of my accounts today on futures. I was able to catch a banger trade on NQ, but I took it on my Forex account. Guys, remember I said I was going to give FTMO a try because FTMO just came into the United States. If you guys had any idea, they were not operating in the United States because of strict regulatory rules, but they've been able to find a way around that. And so now they're in the United States. So I'm giving them a try. I told you guys I was going to give them a try. This is my FTMO account right here. Right there. This is my FTMO account. You can see we're currently in profit right now. I took this beautiful NOS trade. We'll talk about the basis of this trade later. But yeah, you can see here that on my FTMO account, I'm up $634. So I was going to purchase the 100K account, but then I'm like, since I'm used to passing futures prop firms fairly easy, 50K accounts, I'm used to passing 50K accounts. Just to get my head back in the game, I haven't been trading Forex. I've been focusing mainly on futures, but now I am back trading Forex. This is going to be great. You guys, I started trading Forex. The name says it all, Stand FX. So now that I have a bigger drawdown, a static drawdown, everything is just much more straight to the point. Let me just give the 50K a try. So this is my first account. This is FTMO USA. FTMO is back in the US. This is their US prop firm site. If you guys want to check out FTMO US, give them a try. The link is going to be down in my bio and my description. I'm trying to add to my overall capital by adding some Forex accounts. So I also just passed phase 1 of another Forex account that I've been working on. I started working on it last Friday. And I already passed today. This is the Forex account that I just passed today, phase 1. My first account that I got, I passed it. I'm just trying to, as I said, add more capital to my overall portfolio. So yeah, I want to give the prop firm a try, make sure they're trusted and reliable before I even reveal it to you guys. So that's what I'm doing right now. I've already passed phase 1. It took me about 3 days to pass phase 1. You can see all the trades right there. These are the trades that I took. You can see the symbols. I was trading mostly SPX. So that's what mainly I was trading. I was mainly like holding. And that's the good thing about Forex. You can really hold. Trading mainly SPX 500, a little bit of US 30 YM, which I love to trade. This is phase 2 right now. I'm currently up $200 on phase 2. I only need to make $500 on phase 2 to pass this account. So let us go back to the trade and let's look at how I was even able to enter this trade and my reasoning behind the trade. As I missed the YM trade from today, look, price just surged, just kept going up, I already had a bullish bias towards the market. I had a bullish bias also on NQ. As we come into the market, we already see that we're respecting bullish waves. You can see that the news candle came and wicked this 15-minute last fair value gap. It is literally the last fair value gap that price has to trade into. It is a last fair value gap that price came and traded into and wicked it and pushed all the way up. So I already had an idea that price probably wants to head to the upside. As you can see, again, we're respecting bullish PD arrays. You can see that we inversed it, telling us that the momentum is to the upside. So I'm like, okay, since we have a bullish momentum, let's just wait to see what price does when market open. Price came, traded back into this IFVG, this pre-market IFVG, traded back into it. Let's see what price does here, respects it. Guys, you can see we're respecting bullish PD arrays. You can see that price came, traded back into the IFVG, respecting it, telling us that, okay, price actually is using this as an IFVG and wants to continue bouncing to the upside. And price comes, bounces into the IFVG that was formed during pre-market and bounces right off of it. So I'm like, okay, if we want to continue heading to the upside, I want to continue seeing these bullish PD arrays getting respected. So as price taps into this IFVG, it forms another bearish FVG that we can use as an IFVG if it gets inverse. If price truly wants to continue pushing to the upside, I want to see price, inverse in this 5-minute FVG. And then boom, price, the next candle inverses this 5-minute FVG, making it an IFVG. So now we're like, okay, price truly is creating these bullish PD arrays. It's respecting it. It's creating bullish order flow. It's respecting these bullish PD arrays. So on the higher time frame and the lower time frame. So why would you be looking for anything else? You want to look for longs. So I'm like, okay, boom, structure myself right in there after this inversion, and you just watch it play out. So, and you just head for these highs, because these highs is a significant key level. It is these all-time highs that we're looking at. So we're looking at these all-time highs. You can see here we're looking at these all-time highs as an exit point. Because once we get into those all-time highs, we're probably going to see price struggle a bit, because it is all-time highs. Probably a lot of sellers resting up there. So we're probably going to see a little bit of resistance before we possibly blow through it, or we could just dump from there. So as price trades, hits that, boom. And then now, as you can see, it's probably just doing whatever from there, because again, this is a key level. This is all-time highs. It has tapped back into all-time highs. So now we're definitely going to have a lot of orders resting up there. So now price is going to want to do some whatever before it finally decides what it wants to do. Nobody knows what it's going to do. It could continue heading to the upside and blow past all-time highs, or it could just, fail from here and completely retrace all the way back down to these data lows. You never know what price is going to do, but yeah, that is why if I want to continue holding this trade on my accounts, I'm definitely going to use proper risk management and at least move stops to break even, or trail my stops and profit or something. But I just want to see how price reacts with this level, if price wants to break it or if price wants to fail from here. And if it does fail from here, at least I will be protected and I can just hop in the next trade after price tells me what it wants to do. We are not guessing what price wants to do. We are just following, reading what price is doing, and then just simply following along. That is how you want to go about this. You don't want to guess what price wants to do. You just want to follow what price is doing. So yeah, just a little update here, guys. This is phase 2 of this account. I already passed phase 1. I just need 500 for this. I just want to test it out on my own properly, just to know that, okay, they are a good prop firm. They do give payouts. They do pay people out. They do present good opportunities. They do have a good trading environment, and they do pay people out. Like, I want to know that this prop firm is actually a reliable prop firm, good spreads, good everything, before I promote it or let you guys know anything about it. So yeah, that's that. I'm just gonna update you guys on the whole journey, the whole process of building my Forex funded capital. If you guys are interested in trading with FTMO, of course, the link is gonna be in my bio. FTMO US, it's the new US based FTMO for US clients, so you can check it out. Link is gonna be in my bio. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, share with anybody you think may value from this video as well. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.